Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this session and in this playlist I want to talk about a new software. As you know, this software, Autodesk Inventor Professional, is one of the most powerful and great software to design, and this is great to make some drawing of your products, of your machine, or any ideas that you have in your mind. You can use this software, and this is practical, really practical software that you can use in industrial work, and I hope and enjoy it. Enjoy to learn a lot from it. Okay, so let's get started and explain some of these icons that you can see in the screen of this software. We have parts. As you know, this is about 3D parts, and you can design what you want and what you have in your mind in this software with this section, with this part, and then you can make a drawing of this part to bring that drawing and this sheet to and give it to the producer to produce your parts. And if you want to assemble all of your parts, and you want to have a machine, you can use this icon and this platform which has some of parts that you have designed before. And presentation is a good platform when you want to show how your machine works, or you want to present a presentation, and you want to talk about your ideas, and you want to have an exploded view of your assembly or some of your parts. You can use these platforms. And here we have a new icon. Here you can have a new sheet, a new project. Import CAD files. You can actually import the files of your CAD, as you can read the explanation here. You can learn about that. Open is about the project that you have done so far, and projects when you wanna define a new project, or you want to use some previous projects, you can use these icons. And these other icons, it's not so important. Let's get started with the projects. Here you can actually create a new project. Would you push this new icon? New single user project is better. And next, you can write here the name of your project. For example, I wanna use actually new project. Okay, you can give a directory for that, or a folder you can choose, or a project that you be created in actually in this directory. Okay, you can next and next bottom and finish it. Okay, so it should be created because this project doesn't exist so far. Okay, so we push OK. This is my new project, and all of my files will actually be saved in here and be active. This project is active so far. These are my previous project that I was working on them. Okay, so if you check that, the parts of your project will be shown in the screen. For example, if I wanted to work in this project, I can see all of the parts that I was working on them. And or for example, SFR Polynom is another project that I was working on. But new project, because we don't have any new files and new parts or assembly or drawing or any presentation in this project, this doesn't have any parts or picture in here, but others have, for example in Spring here or some other projects that I have worked with them. Okay, for now let me choose one of these projects, and not important which actually what are these projects. Well, let me choose one of them. Okay. You can use actually tools and collaborate. Application option. This is option of use the software, and you can use it to know and how to change the setting of this application, which we want to talk about this at the right time. So now let me open one of these parts, for example this one. You have to wait a minute to be downloaded. All of it will be downloaded, and here is the screen of this software. Okay, when you want to close this part, you can close it from actually open the button and change the project you want to use. For example, I want to use new project and push down and open it. Okay, so you have to use or start with one of these two elements. Let me get started with assembly, because if I choose assembly, it has the part platform in it. Okay, so you can see assembly in here. We have create here. In create, we can use and choose the name of the part we want. For example, part number 1 is the first part I want. If you push this button, we have some icon in here. For example, if you wanna be your dimension in inches, you can use English, or in metric you can use all of these icons. For example, in DIN or in ANSI and C are kind of actually standards. You can use one of these, but always I will be used with these standard millimeters, for example, because this is more comfortable for me. I will choose this one, or if you can choose some other kind, and it is better to try all of them and see what will happen if you choose one of them. You can actually choose a point. This point is the center of part 1. Okay, the origin of part 1 is the place that you click. Okay, for getting started and create, for example, a cubic, you have to choose a plan. We have plan in here. If you push the center roll in your mouse and use your mouse and push a shift key at your keyboard, you can you can rotate the screen, okay, as you can see, and you can use it this one. You can use these items to rotate your actually platform and screen. But for the first, we can choose, and we should choose one of these plans to create our part. For example, we choose this plan, and this is icon for create sketches. Okay, so what is a sketch? A sketch is a plan that you can like a whiteboard or a boom or a board that you can design and draw in 2D dimension in them. Here we have different kind of rectangular. For example, I will use the this kind of rectangular, and I choose this. Actually, I want to be nominal to the plan. I will choose this kind of bottom. You can use with all of these icons and be familiar with all of them. So here I want to dimension for this rectangular. So if I want to change it, this is enough to change the dimension in this. Okay, here. So if you check it, and again I want to change this dimension to, for example, 200. Okay, this is enough. I wanna exceed from the sketch because my sketch is finished. Let's push finish sketch. But here I have a rectangular shape. I don't have anything else. I wanna have an actually cubic. So if you push and click on extrude, you can have any 3D shapes. For example, you can use from this icon to change the direction of that and the height of, for example, let me get in 150 millimeters. You can use these icons. Okay, so for the exercise please practice all of these icons in here. So the first thing you should do is to choose a plan from here, or even from your from here you can use most of them, but you have to active these parts. Choose one of these plan and go to them, and for example, in this time you use a circle and then finish sketches and then extrude it. Okay, and change the direction of that, or two direction of that, or play with all of these actually icons and possibilities. So this was the end of this is the end of this session, and I hope you will you enjoyed this session. This is enough, and you have to exercise. Please exercise until the next session to be professional, to design some of these simple shapes. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.